How to add and edit images in PixelLab. Want to take your PixelLab edits to the next level? Today I will show you how to add images into your project and then edit them step by step. First things first, launch PixelLab and either start a new project or open an existing one. Tap the plus button at the top left corner. Select from gallery to pick an image from your phone or choose from camera to snap a new one. Your selected image will appear on the canvas. Use the drag handles at the corners to resize. Hold and drag to move the image anywhere on the canvas. Now, editing the image. Tap the image and you will see editing options at the bottom. Crop. Trim your image to focus on what matters. Adjustments. Change brightness, contrast, saturation and more. Rotate or flip the image as needed. Transparency. Make the image more or less visible. If you have text, stickers or multiple images, use the layers menu to arrange what's on top or behind. And that's it. You can now add and edit images in PixelLab like a pro, making your designs more creative and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.